In this video, we're going to take a look at creating and sharing Discord server links. I've done a video in the past on this, but Discord's changed some settings up a bit, so I figured I'd do an update video to it. I've also shown you in the past how to create your own Discord server, and I'll put a link to that video here. We'll go ahead and start by creating an invite link to this server. You can get to the invite option a couple different ways. The first is by right-clicking on the server icon on the left menu here, or by choosing the server and then clicking the drop-down up here next to the server's name. Either way that you choose, select Invite People from the menu options. A pop-up window will then appear. This menu looks a bit different from what it did in the past. Now you have a quick access list to other users that you interact with often on Discord. You can also search users by using the search bar here. And down at the bottom, you have a server invite link that you can copy and then paste into something like an email, a text, or a social media post. By default though, this invite link is only valid for 7 days. So let's take a look at the invite link settings so that we can make some changes. Choose Edit Invite Link right here. Inside of here, first you can change the length of time that the link is good for. Let's make this set to never expire by selecting the drop down and then choosing never. Next, you can set the max number of users that can use the link. I'll keep this set to no limit. And finally, you can turn on grant temporary memberships if you want the users to be kicked out of the server after they disconnect, unless they've been granted a specific role. I'll stick with keeping this Discord server link open, so I'll keep it disabled. When you're finished with your changes, hit generate a new link, and you can then copy the new link that it creates. After that, you can then paste or post the link anywhere that you want people to find it to join your Discord server. And that's how you create and then share your public Discord server link.